let's get a bit even more graphic. So that one I actually couldn't hold back. I vomited it in my mouth. My mouth filled up with my vomit, and then I swallowed it back again because I was like, not in the fucking car. Not in the fucking car. Alright, we got road goes right, then caution, road goes left on crest. Road goes left long. And then road goes right. Road goes left? It doesn't say. Start virtual chicane. Now road goes right, obviously. Right. Whoa. I can't read right now. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. This one I've actually held back because I've had other episodes to build, but this is going back to Adelaide Rally that we did in 2024. Now on Friday we were supposed to simply race, and Saturday was going to be a relaxed day. We're going to leave on Sunday to come back home. However, Michael desperately needed a co-driver, and I put my hand up thinking, why not? So we are today in his M3 competition, and this car in factory form is insane. I actually cannot understand how this car from the factory just accelerates so quickly, and it's so comfy. It's actually, like, this car is insane. Through the hairpins, okay, of course the all-wheel drive comes into this, but just planting his foot and this car jumps. Not even a hint of traction loss. It's honestly some form of engineering perfection here. I love this car. It was a privilege to be able to go in it and hang out with all the supercars for the day. I just wish that I could take that on without the need to throw up. The universe gave me an obsession with cars, but only if I'm in the driver's seat. Now, Michael did actually offer me to drive the car, but I didn't want to take that away from him. I was just happy enough to sit as passenger. So what this meant though is that I needed to try and hold myself as best as I could from throwing up, but I did actually throw up 3 times this day. Here are 2 of the ones that I caught on camera. As you'll see, my face go from smiley to serious to, well, straight out sick. You good? Yeah. Just trying to control breathing. Here you see me starting to fight the urge. You can see my face change a little bit. I'm taking it a little bit more seriously. This is me hyper-focusing on trying not to feel sick, but it's not working. Yeah, that's all good. Trying my best to hold out because I refuse to throw up in this beautiful M3 competition. It only takes me a couple of minutes in the passenger seat to want to throw up. And actually throw up. I've actually done this quite a lot. So it's very rare that you'll see me in the passenger seat of any car in a racing scenario. Normal driving, fine. Racing, not so fine. It's winning.
Tap it up or the vomit?
Vomit.
Are we good or not?
Nah, not
Pull
really.
over?
If you can.
Pull over? I can't.
You can't. Keep going.
Okay, I'm gonna slow down.
Keep going.
I'm not hammering, okay? I'll go quicker. Right at finish, okay? Right at finish.
Oh my god.
Better?
Oh, so much better. Holy shit, that was so fucking... That was...
Sorry, man. I can see you turning yellow.
Yeah, no, I was like...
Alright, you gonna tell us where we're going then? I've got to catch. Alright,
Yeah, catch.
Right.
Let's see if I throw up a third time. Wait, did I throw up after the first one?
No.
No. Okay, so then...
2 and 3.
Okay, so this is actually session 4 of the day. Alright, session 4. Can Michael make me vomit again?
Hey, this is no reflection of the driver. Can we just make that clear from now, okay?
Yeah, because I'm in the car with a Greek.
Yeah. Italians.
Opa! So Michael, along with his brother in this yellow Huracan up ahead of us, they are actually the owners of a company called Aussie Ripper Roast. Now you'll see the sticker or the logo in the back quarter window of this M3 with the footage facing us. Aussie Ripper Roast is a family-owned business that provides exceptional catering services in Adelaide and nearby regions. Whether it's a small get-together or a grand celebration, they've been around for over 35 years, so get in touch with them if you want to discuss how they can cater to your next event. Oh, hard left here. Hairpin. This one's after a throw up, so I was actually quite good for this session. So we're going to cut a little bit halfway through and jump to the end of this session to get to my next one, which is where I do my bigger throw up. And now slow down. Whew, all right, it is trying to get me. It is trying to get me again.
Windows down, windows down, windows down. And we chill, and we chill.
Bit of f***ing air, let's go, let's go. Can we survive this one, or is...
How's that?
Or is that f***ing fruit bar gonna come out?
Finishing up. We done? Pull over?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can't stop with this car, don't worry. Okay. Not far. I don't run the time before you go. Stop ahead. Hard? Chanda! That's the third time!
GoPro still on?
Yeah. Hey, it's lunch. Ah.
Sorry, boys. I was coming in hot because I knew he had to pull over, so I was like, quick. But we weren't going to make the pass. Oh, shit.
I think one more.
Oh, man, you make me laugh. Quick, that's our pack. You alright?
Oh, f***. Oh, hang on.
You good?
This one's actually bad, hey.
This one's bad.
Oh.
I can't stop laughing, I'm so sorry.
No, it's all good. I live to entertain. Oh.
Poor
Oh, mother. All right, the GoPro's still going. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, this one's going and this one. Oh. Mother. Okay. Oh.
It'll be on the channel, don't worry.
Oh, it will be. Oh.
Have fun, boys.
Cheers, lads.
We're good.
Go find some water.
Yeah. Oh my God.
You alright?
Yeah. Oh. me. Actually, I'll keep this running for a sec. I've got to talk about this one. Let's.
I'm so sorry, I can't help it.
No, laugh, man. That's part of it. That's great. So let's get a bit even more graphic. So that one I actually couldn't hold back. I vomited it in my mouth. My mouth filled up with my vomit, and then I swallowed it back again because I was like, not in the f***ing car. Not in the f***ing car.
Oh, man.
And then, yeah, then I just ran out and I'm like, see you f***ing later. That was a lot that came out, man. All the food that was there, no more. No more.
I actually felt so bad. I knew you should have had lunch.
That was f***ing hilarious. No, that's all right. I'm glad we lasted that long. Now, more importantly, now I feel amazing